Hey, what's up guys, Sammy C here and welcome back to yet another maths video. If you have been here before, thanks heaps for coming back, and if you're new here, I hope you enjoy these videos. If you do want to help us out, feel free to drop a like or subscribe, that helps out a lot. I am continuing on with this level 2 series, and I will continue to make videos, so if you enjoy these videos and use them in class, feel free to share them with your colleagues. I'd love to have a whole bunch of people using them, and that way it'll encourage me to make more. For all the teachers out there, if you enjoy the multi-step problems, let me know in the comments below or flick me an email of what you'd like me to add or change to make these videos better. I'd really appreciate your feedback. I'll leave my email in the comments below, so feel free to flick me an email if you have any problems you want me to do or any topics you want me to move into. So I'd love your feedback. That's enough chit chat, roll the intro. Here's today's problem. Marco's mum has asked him to go to the shop and buy 4 bottles of milk. Each bottle of milk is $4. She gave him a $20 note. How much does the milk cost and how much change will Marco's mum get back? Not bad guys. Today is a multi-step problem, so you're going to have to do more than one set of maths to get the answer to this problem. So when you write it in your book or when you do it in your head, organise your thinking and keep your working separate. That way when your teacher has a look at it, they'll be able to understand what you were thinking when you were doing that maths. Give it a go guys, I'll give you a short hint soon. Rightio, little hint. The way you solve this problem is you want to work out a couple of things. The first thing you want to work out is how much the milk cost. So he was buying 4 bottles and each bottle was $4. So how much did the milk cost? Then you want to work out how much change his mum is going to get back. So he's got $20, so subtract the cost of the milk and that's going to be the change Marco's mum receives. Hopefully that helps a bit guys. If you haven't got it, give it a go. Rightio guys, it's time for our full explanation. The first thing I want to work out for this maths problem is how much the milk is going to cost. So in my book, I might write down cost of milk or how much will the milk cost. Now this is going to show what I'm actually solving. So each bottle of milk is $4 and he buys 4 bottles of milk. So I could either go 4 times 4 and that's going to give me the cost of 4 bottles of milk, or I can go $4 plus $4 plus $4 plus $4. And that's also going to give me the cost of the milk, but it's up to you. You could use multiplication or you could use repeated addition. Whatever strategy works for you is the one you should use. So hopefully you got the answer, $16. The milk is going to cost $16. Now the second part of the problem, we have to work out how much change Marco's mum is going to receive. So in my book, I'm going to write down Marco's mum's change, or maybe change received. That is going to help my teacher and me understand what I was working out. So the maths we have to do in this section, I know that she had $20 and she gave it to Marco to buy the milk. And then the milk cost $16. So she is going to have the remainder as change. So I can go 20 take away 16 equals the amount of change that Marco's mum will receive. So 20 take away 16, actually that might be quite tricky for some of us to do in our heads. So I'm going to subtract 10 and then I'm going to subtract 6. So we're going to break the problem down to make it more manageable. And in the end I'm going to subtract 16, but I'm going to do it in 2 goes. So 20 take away 10 is $10. And I still have to subtract $6. So 10 take away 6 equals $4. So she is going to receive $4 change. So our final answer, the milk costs $16 and Marco's mum will get $4 change. Rightio, that's it from me guys. I hope you enjoyed today's problem. It is what we call a multi-step problem, so there is more than one layer to this problem. I hope you enjoy these types of problems. They often involve a little bit more maths and they're a little bit meatier. Teachers, if you enjoy these, let me know. If you use them in the class, let me know where you're from. And there will also be a video or another video series coming out teaching students how to organise their thinking in their books by using subheadings. Because some of us just scribble down little bits of information thinking people will understand what they're solving, but that's incredibly difficult. So watch out for those videos that teach students how to organise their thinking on their page. Thanks heaps guys, feel free to drop a like if you enjoy these videos, feel free to subscribe if you want to see more, and thanks heaps, cheers.